Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically stabilize your videos on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here. It's just a video of somebody in the car filming, and cars can get bumpy and shaky and stuff like that. So you're going to select your clip and you're going to scroll down until you find the stabilize tab. You're going to select it. They have the recommended level, minimum cut, and most stable. If you want, you can use the recommended one or the most stable one. The most stable one is very stable, but it will kind of like zoom. Well, it will kind of crop a lot more of your video rather than the recommended one. Also, I might just make this a little bit shorter so I don't have to process it for longer. Let's make it just like, what, 10 seconds? I know it's like processing again, but it will take longer if your video duration is a bit longer. So I'm just going to wait for it to process. And it is on 30%. It does take longer, I think, if it's the most stable one. They also have the minimum cut, which means it's the least stable, but it does help stabilize the video just a little bit. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just waiting for this to be done processing. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.